Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will give you instructions on how to get rid of the ransomware called Unibovwood. Unibovwood. This is the ransomware that may encrypt all your documentation that you store on your computer. For instance, this includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, video files, and some other file formats. So if you store some of your valuable information on your hard drive, and if this Unibovwood ransomware attacks it, your files will be encrypted. Now I'm able to open my files without any complications at all, but after this Unibovwood ransomware is launched, it starts immediately encrypting your documentation. And the peculiarity of this particular ransomware called Unibovwood is that it does not add any special extension. However, it still encrypts your files. So visually, there are no any suspicious extensions added by this ransomware, but you can no longer open your files. And this is the message that comes up when I try to open some pictures. It says that these pictures cannot be opened because the file appears to be damaged, corrupted, or is too large. That's all because of this ransomware called Unibovwood to be currently active in your computer. It is called Unibovwood because this is the primary email that is used by the criminals, and they tell you to contact this email, Unibovwood. And the problem is that contacting these criminals does not guarantee that you would get your files back. They tell you to pay the special ransom to get your files restored, but in reality, once again, there is no guarantee that you would get your files back even after you pay the ransom. I strongly advise that you remove this ransomware as soon as possible, and we recommend you to do that with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official resource combocleaner.com. Download the software and start researching your system with its help. It will assist you in detecting this ransomware, deleting it, and protecting your files from further attacks. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode, even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button, and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So Once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threads with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.